Hey there, and welcome to another install video with Boombo Racing. Today we will be installing the Volkswagen GTI Mark 8 shifter plate. Disconnect the vent lines from the air filter and valve cover. Remove the coolant line from the clips. Remove the airbox cover. Remove the air snorkel. Remove the air filter box and lay it on top of the valve cover. Remove the locking clip from the shifter link. Remove the shifter link. Install the Boombo Racing shifter plate. Secure plate to the shifter arm with the provided screws. Install the shifter link and lock it with the clip. Reinstall the filter box. Reinstall the air snorkel. Reinstall the airbox cover. Lock the coolant line in place and reconnect the vent lines. And you're done. Thanks for joining us for another install video with Boombo Racing. Drop a follow for more install videos, sound clips, and demos.